Hi everyone, and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making pico de gallo. I love a good fresh pico de gallo and it adds so much flavor to whatever you add it on. And today I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 4 tomatoes finely diced. I like to use the Roma tomatoes. We're going to need 2/3 of a cup of white onions finely diced, 1 bunch of cilantro finely chopped, 1 jalapeno finely chopped as well. Now this is going to determine the heat, so if you like less heat, you can add less jalapenos. We're going to need the juice from 1 lime, which is about a tablespoon, and half a teaspoon of salt. We're also going to need 1 clove of garlic finely minced. Now to put this together is very simple. All we're going to do is take our ingredients, we're going to combine them in a large bowl and mix them up. Now here comes the hard part. I recommend that you let this sit for at least 15 minutes to let those flavors really mingle and come together. So I'm going to wrap it, let it sit in the fridge for 15 minutes, and then we're going to get a bite. And our pico de gallo is ready. Now you can use this as a dip or a topping on tacos, burritos, enchiladas, whatever you want. Gonna finish plating this up, and then we'll get a taste. Alright, let's dig in. I'll be trying it with a tortilla chip. It's so good. It's light, it's refreshing. There's a little bit of heat from the jalapeno. It's going to be a fantastic topping on top of burritos, enchiladas, tacos, nachos, any Mexican-inspired dish. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.